Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you're watching this. My name is Mr. Barnes. I am your child's social studies teacher on Team 7A. So, before we get into the course specifics, a little bit about myself. Got my bachelor's and master's from Iona College. I chose to become a teacher because I love to inspire. And I'm a firm believer of you are the captain of your own ship. I don't give grades in this class. Your child earns them. And a little bit from my co-teacher.
Good morning, good afternoon. My name is Timothy Jumbalvo. I'll be co-teaching with Mr. Barnes this year. I have 20 years experience within the district, and I'm really excited for this program.
Thank you, Mr. G. So just a couple of my teaching philosophies. I believe all students, all your children are capable of greatness. No one's voice is more important than anybody else's. I'm a firm believer of that. Every student will be respected and listened to in my class. I don't believe in holding grudges. Yesterday is yesterday, today is today. If there's ever a problem with your child, we'll just keep pushing forward, and we're all in this together. So here is a little bit of the curriculum we're going to cover this year. We just finished covering Indigenous history. We're working our way down to European voyagers. We're going to talk about the colonies, the history of enslaved African Americans, Manifest Destiny, which is one of my favorite things to teach, and we're going to end this year on the Civil War. So here is a breakdown of how the class works. Everything is split from 60-40, 60% of student work, meaning classwork and discussion posts, will be graded as classwork. I do not give homework in this class. Classwork that is not completed in class becomes homework. As for assessments, that can be quizzes, projects, tests, quarterlies, paragraphs, essays, will be covered under assessments. I give a 2-week grace period on missing work, meaning your child has from 2 weeks from when that assignment was given in class to submit. How will your child get work if they're absent? Students will be able to access work in Schoology. IC assignments will have the Schoology folder location for the assignment. So if you could just see in the right-hand corner, this is how my Schoology page is set up. It's set up by the day. So if your child needs extra help, Homework Center will be starting soon. We don't have an exact date right now, but it will be down the pipeline. There is also the Math and Science Resource Room with a science or math teacher. More than likely, it's going to be a teacher on our team. So how do you get into contact with me? Here's my email, najeebarnes@whiteplainscityschooldistrict.k12.ny.us. If you want to get in contact with Mr. Jumbalvo, Timothy Jumbalvo at whiteplainscityschooldistrict.k12.ny.us. And also I placed the school phone number for reference. So it was really nice meeting you virtually. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day or a good night.